What are you doing? You guys having a snack? Lunchtime. Ah, get out of there. Get. Oh, man. Got a bear in a can. Get out of there. Go on. Get. Hey, bear. Hey, bear. Don't even phase him. Get. No, not even bothered by it. So used to people around here. Not good. Not good. Go on, get.